What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing another haul for you. So I got some more stuff at Victoria's Secret because you know how I always love going there and getting stuff, and you guys like watching the videos, so it gives me an excuse to go shopping. So of course your girl had some coupons, so I used the last bit of those. They expired today. It was the $20 off a $50 purchase or more. I also had a free panty, so I have 13 pairs of underwear to show you guys today. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into it. Okay, so here's my bag. I have, like I said, 13 pairs of underwear I got for $33. It was originally, I think it was originally like $52. I really don't know. But I got so many different pairs that I'm going to show you guys. So in my last video, I told you guys about the new underwear that they had, and I said I wanted to go back and get some more. So I got the other colors that I saw that they had. I'm going to section it out into categories of the type of underwear that it is. Okay, so I'm going to show you the Brazilian underwear first. I think that's what they're called. Not sure, but that's what we're going to go with. So I got this blue color, which I thought was so pretty, and I'm excited for it. And then I got this black one. I'm not into the darker colored underwear because I like the bright ones better, but I saw it and I decided to get it anyway because I was running out of options. And then I got this maroon one. I don't know, maroon, not maroon one. I also got a lace peach one, which I thought was super cute. It does not look peach on camera. What does that even look like on camera? But it's peach. And then we have a white one, which I saw online and I wanted to get it, and it's got these flowers on it, which I thought was really adorable. So of course I had to get it because we love bright colors and spring is upon us. And then I also got this, I guess it's called emerald one. I don't know if it's emerald. I honestly don't know what it's called, but I got that one, and that's the last of the Brazilian ones. They're so cute and I highly recommend getting them. I like, if you haven't seen my other videos, I have like 5 other ones and I had to go back and get more, so I did. And then for the seamless ones, I kind of just picked random ones that were like kind of bright but not really, but like, you know, this is like hot pink and it's a thong, super comfortable. And then I also got this one, and it says "Do You Girl," and it's lavender, and I thought that was cute, but this one's cheeky, so I got that one. And then I saw this one. I didn't see this one there before, and it's kind of like a tie-dye lace emerald green color, which I thought was cute, so I decided to get it because, like I said, spring. And then this is a cheeky ribbed one, I think it's called, and it says "Love Pink" on it. It's yellow. If you don't know, yellow is my favorite color, so of course I had to get it. Oh, of course you can't see it because the tag's in the way, but there you go. This is that one, which I thought was pretty. And then I got this, I don't know what you would call this style, I honestly have no idea, but I got it, and it's like a yellow mustard color with flowers on it. I thought that was really cute for the springtime. And then I had to spend $15 more, and we were literally in the store for, I kid you not, maybe 15 to 20 minutes looking for something that was $15 because it's all I had to spend. And I couldn't find anything because everything there is so freaking expensive. So I decided to just get another pair of underwear, but I got the Victoria's Secret underwear because those are a little more pricier than the pink ones. So this one was $16.50, and it's just a hot pink thong, which I thought was really cute. And I know it's a little ridiculous to spend $16 on a pair of underwear because trust me, I didn't want to spend $16 on it, but that's all I needed to spend. So I did it, and I don't regret it. It's pretty. So that's all the underwear that I have. Here we go. This is everything. This is my spring underwear, I guess you would say. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.